you have something called column from examples, which is kind of interesting one. For example, you have this date. Okay, it is useful anywhere, but I'll take a date example. Let's say you have a date and you wanted to get something done by the tool itself. So column from examples uses kind of artificial intelligence kind of a thing, where it will try to help you with generating the logic. It will automatically write the logic with if you are feeding some inputs. So I've selected this column. Okay, this date column. Okay, let me cancel again. Let me do. I've just selected date column and I'm going to look on column from example. So it is giving me the empty column here on the right side, and I'm going to type in something. Okay, based upon my date column. So you can see my date is here, and I'm interested in getting the month name. Okay, so this is all January. I can say January 1st or whatever, like a January 2014. I will say January 2014. I wanted to write January 2014. Okay, so just added one value and entered. So automatically, what happened? It will scan the entire data, and you can see wherever you have December 2014, December 20, and you can see October 2013, October 20. So automatically it understood, okay, you have a date column you picked up and you are trying to come up with something similar. So instead of going anywhere and doing some transformation, I'm using this column from example, which is a very beautiful, very good transformation, and it helps you a lot, like in a lot of cases, even writing this logic or using which transformation, you click on if you, even if you remember using the username right from email address, right? Example where initially, if you remember, we went to email address. In order to get the username, we have extracted this based upon the delimiter at the rate symbol, right? So instead of doing that, we could have directly used by going to add column from examples. Right, I can click on this. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to feed in saying that, okay, John 24. Sometimes you need to feed in more data if required. So I'll just do it for one. And you can see immediately it has given me all the usernames.